Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about outdoor kitchen design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Outdoor kitchens have become increasingly popular in recent years, allowing homeowners to cook and entertain guests while enjoying the fresh air and beautiful surroundings of their backyard. For those with limited outdoor space, a cozy backyard can be the perfect location for an outdoor kitchen. Here are some design ideas to make the most out of your small outdoor space. A built-in grill can be a great addition to any outdoor kitchen, and it can also save space. Pair it with countertops made of durable materials such as granite or concrete for a sleek and functional look. A small refrigerator can be a handy addition to your outdoor kitchen, allowing you to keep drinks and snacks within easy reach. Consider an under-counter model to save space and keep the overall look of your outdoor kitchen clean and uncluttered. Bar seating. Create a cozy atmosphere in your outdoor kitchen by incorporating bar seating. A small bar or island can serve as a gathering place for friends and family while you cook, and it can also be a great spot for casual dining. When space is limited, it's important to get creative with storage solutions. Consider using vertical space by adding shelves or hooks to store utensils, pots and pans, and other cooking essentials. Outdoor lighting can set the mood and create a cozy atmosphere, making it an essential component of any backyard kitchen. Consider adding ambient lighting with string lights or lanterns, and task lighting over the grill and countertops. Incorporating natural materials into your outdoor kitchen can create a warm and inviting feel. Consider using materials such as stone, brick, or wood for a rustic look that blends in with the surrounding environment. Overall, designing an outdoor kitchen in a small space can be challenging, but it's certainly possible with the right design ideas. By incorporating these tips, you can create a cozy backyard oasis that's perfect for cooking, entertaining, and relaxing with friends and family. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make outdoor kitchen design ideas. Thank you.